Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will restore your key's functionality quickly. It's a common maintenance task that anyone can do with a few easy steps. Let's get started and get your key working like new. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to extend the physical key blade. Once the blade is out, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now it's time to replace the battery. Observe how the old battery is positioned before you remove it. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery from its slot. Be careful not to touch any other components inside the fob. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them together until they click securely into place. Then, slide the physical key blade back into its housing until it locks. Now, it's time to test. Try locking and unlocking your Audi's doors to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.